Good morning, everyone. Today we plan to visit MirjanFort and Tico Beach. Also, we postponed our plan to visit Yana Caves. We decided to visit Yana Caves in our next tour. So, after having some chit chat with morning tea and yummy dosas in the breakfast, we are going to take our shower and get ready to move towards our next destination. One thing I must have to tell that Vedic village owner Rajiv ji had some bad experience with some Bengali guy. So very often during the past 2 days conversation he taunted about West Bengal and Bengalis. Even today morning during breakfast time he showed us some YouTube video made by some stupid YouTuber Vivek Vindra, which is very irritating for us. You can't make a strong opinion about any race by watching some stupid videos and try to humiliate your customers because we didn't feel we are guests after this kind of behavior. If he avoided that part, the stay would have been more pleasant. So, we are now in front of MirjanFort. This fort is located at the edge of Western Ghats. This place is beautiful and worth visiting. The history of this fort is unknown. It's mostly ruins, has many secret tunnels and huge waterfalls which are now covered by iron mesh for visitors' safety. This is an amazing place to visit for those who love to look at pieces of architecture with history. The weather was significantly warm, due to which the greenery visible in others' picture is not as visible. This place is 2 kilometers away from NH66. There is a concrete road till fort. Ample parking is available.
No!
Now we are moving towards our next destination, Eco Beach. Eco Beach, Navara, is one of the cleanest beaches anyone can ever visit it. One of the must-visit beaches in Karnataka, India. It's a very well-maintained, clean and calm beach with lots of sea-facing benches on the beach. It gives a very posh feeling. There is everything you can think of: first aid room, changing room, shower, drinking water, washrooms and parks, along with recliner. It also provides a lot of facilities for kids' enjoyment on the backside of the beach in Kasurina Plantation. There's an adjoining park for kids to play with separate tickets available. I can visit here thousands of times and never get tired of this tranquil and wonderful atmosphere. It's one of the 8 beaches of India which has Blue Flag certification. On the way, after visiting Eco Beach, due to humidity and high temperature, we were fully exhausted and we missed taking videos of our stay in Hacienda, Simoga. But the place was awesome, calm, and the behavior of owner uncle was very friendly and polite. We were amazed by his warm welcome and hospitality. After taking some food and getting refreshed, we have some nature walk which we enjoyed thoroughly. The dinner was simple, tasty, and healthy. After taking dinner, we planned for next day visit in Sakrebyle elephant camp and went early to bed. Good morning everyone. Today is our last day of the tour. After visiting elephant camp, we will be heading towards back to Bangalore. The Sakrebyle Elephant Camp is a forest camp for captive elephants in Karnataka, situated at a distance of 14 kilometers from Simoga on just before the Shimoga-Tirthahalli road. It is considered to be the best camp for training elephants in the state. The camp is maintained by the Karnataka Forest Department. It's a beautiful serene place. You can relax here without bothering about outside world. Due to pandemic, they have stopped elephant feeding and riding. You can spend hours here with elephants and you will enjoy the friendly connection with them.
wait, ওরম করতে নেই এনিমেশন স্ট্রেট করা চাও দিচ্ছি যাও এবার
ভিডিও নিলে চলে ক্যামেরা দেখো इधर এদিকে মুখটা দেখো মাথাটা বল কর যাও অদিতি straight ওদি তুমি টাচ করেছো
না
টাচ করো আসো আমরা টাচ করছি ভিডিও না
Lee. His name is Gully.
Okay. Female.
Life isn't measured by the number of breaths we take, but the moments and places that take our breath away.